Yeah, let me wait for a second till the feed is up on YouTube, and then we can start. Okay, maybe this is correct. Let me also tweet about it. Okay, so I have done. Send the tweet. Reset. Let's reset the timer to 1 hour and back to the issue at hand, which is we are getting EVM out of gas error. And one thing I changed here was this part, which was we are just telling it gas fees are zero. Uh, for calculation, it it won't matter. And here also we can say same error again and again. Where are we messing up? And we know this part is done. The actual, what was this? The actual account redeployed, that we know for sure. Let's, and we are the deposit of the paymaster is more than enough, or we can also check here. So it's entry dot balance of, that's the function, and I guess we need to pass address. What's happening? Okay. Oh no. Yeah. Address of paymaster and check it is amount to deal. Is that assumption true? Yes, that's true. We can see here balance of, then it's assert equal to, and we are checking the balance. Here we are. The fees are zero. Gas account limits are more than enough. But we are getting EVM out of gas error on this part. One idea I have is, can we just copy paste the contract that was working? Because I don't know, because I can't figure this out. Maybe skill issues, most probably. I know. Account factory. Okay, simple account sample. So I change the contract. It does the same thing. Don't worry about it. And, not the same thing, but almost the same thing. Uh, Names are different. function names, then arguments are different. Instead of calculating the hash inside this, we are calculating inside the function, in the view function. We are doing that outside. Like we are saying to the user that you should send the bytecode hash instead of these arguments. So we need hash of creation code, a view. Hash of creation code. And okay, who is the third person watching? I don't know. Like I know there are four now. Shit. Hey, hi guys. Hopefully you guys can hear me, and please ping me in the chat who you guys are. Hopefully friends or some people from Twitter. But I'm pretty sure not no random person is coming to see this. So hopefully I know who you guys are. I I can't see the number, basically the name of the viewers, but I know there are four people watching. Okay. Um, Hi, welcome to the stream, and let's get back to the issue at hand, which was my skill issue with this. So last contract that I created is not working, and now I'm changing the whole thing so that it'll start working with the contract I already have created. So here we can say source, that's done. Then sample, samples or sample. Yeah, it's samples slash not simple account factory but account factory. Let's remove this part. That's done. Again, sample slash simple account. What's the issue here? Samples. Okay. We can remove this with core. No, source. Okay. Now that's done. Let's remove this and see if this works. Okay, compilation failed. Why? Oh, okay. We have to rename it. What's the issue now? It's account factory. Oh, okay. It was a type error. Oh, yeah, a lot of errors. What's the next? It's simple account factory. Yeah, now all the errors are clear. Compilation error. Expected to given 3. But where was it? Where is this? Simple account test 2335. Oh, okay. Yeah, our unit test won't work with this. That's the issue. We are getting signature error. I'm pretty sure that's from Paymaster. Okay, I need to figure that out. Owner encoded signature. We are adding the signature. User op, handle ops. Okay, that's done. Field op. Why? Why do we have signature error? I'm pretty sure. So signature error will happen here, like when checking this field. But if let's remove this, yeah. So we know it's the issue with this field, as that's the only signature. And what else? Let's see. When does our simple account? Okay, so when owner is not owner, it returns this. The signer is not owner. At that point, we get the signature error. And what was 8AA24, which we can find in entry point.sol. 8824 signature error. What? I'm not even using an aggregator. Why validation data is returning an aggregator? Let's go up top. Is it aggregator? No. We need to go here. Yes. So it's passing the validation data. And this validate prepayment is returning. Sorry. Validate prepayment is returning the validation data. So we need to see how this validation data is created. Okay, we need to go to validate account prepayment, and in validate account prepayment it returns validation data from validate user op. Okay, now I'm lost. We are getting signature error. Expected aggregator is not the aggregator. That's the issue. Can we console.log expected aggregator? Console.log address of the expected aggregator. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, that's what we are expecting. But that's not what we are getting. It's returning address 1, but we are expecting address 0. Damn. 1, okay. Why we are getting address 1? So here From validation data, we return these two values. Parse validation data. Okay, but now I'm confused. In the simple account, we are returning this value. Oh, I think, okay. Success. Let's copy this and field. At in the top, we have to import it. Import console from forge std slash console dot sol. Okay, that's done. I think we are getting, what are we getting? It is failing. So the owner is not what we want. Yeah, I know why. So in the integration test, when we go to simple account, oh no, when we create this, yeah, in our case, that's not the case. In the previous, from which, from the project, no, no, no. This account I took from different project which has different simple account structure. And our simple account takes the owner and passes it. Go back. Okay. So we are setting the owner incorrectly somewhere, or we are signing with the wrong owner. That's that's the thing. We have the owner, right? In the simple account, we pass the owner to in the constructor. That's fine. Let's close this. So factory data, simple account factory. Okay, that works. Account factory create account dot selector. All this is correct. In the factory, yeah. Let's go to factory. Here we are passing entry point. Yeah, entry point is wrong for some reason. We need I entry point instead of just entry point. So let's import I entry point from source slash interfaces slash I entry point dot sol. That's done. Let's wrap this in I entry point and run the test. It'll still fail. At least we tried. Okay. Now here we need to do the same thing. Simple account creation code, simple account owner, salt is passed here. That works. In the test, you're passing these values. This address will be converted to iEntry point. Okay, this address will be converted into iEntry point in the what? In the factory. So let's say iEntry point and import it. iEntry point. We'll keep running the test till we figure out what's the issue. Simple account. Here there is okay, go to simple account. There's console log signer signer. Does that work? Yes, it does. And then owner. Does that work? Yes. Okay, that thing works. Now in the test, let's console log test account address this. We haven't imported console. Import console forge std slash console dot sol works. Owner. For some reason, our test account is the owner of the simple account. So somewhere here, owner address. We are sending owner address. Okay, I don't know for no. There's something else. Can we get the address of the factory? Simple account factory address. Owner is different. Signer is different. Okay. We can just figure out by create account The owner is getting passed to create account. Entry point. The owner is getting created. How is it possible that someone else is signing? Sign owner key. Owner equal to owner. Okay, delete this. Let's run this again. Go up and see we have only two instances of signer, but no clue where signer is getting created. Yes, I do have some idea. Now, everything works. Yes. So, in our new contract, we are not hashing the user of hash again. Uh, it's not needed, so we are not doing that. Okay, so this thing works now without doing any major changes. And what happens if we increase this part? Yeah, we probably shouldn't, but let's let's try it. Let's go for 1 1. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, that thing is working. Yes. It said prefund wasn't enough, right? So if we put 1 1, we know the sender. Let's try to increase the deposit. Entry point dot deposit to, give it the sender. Now we can pass a value, let's say 10 ether. It's not needed, but let's go. It passes. How about 20? It should. Yes. Yes. I don't really understand how we were getting out of gas error, because that shouldn't be possible. Like, that's not the case where we are getting out of gas error. Sorry, that was the case. We are getting out of gas error, but we were passing more than enough gas. Yeah, maybe better debugging tools I have to learn and see what was the issue. Okay, now that's done. What else? So what else do we have? Yeah, we have to rewrite the whole, not whole, but just the unit tests. So control A, yeah, there isn't any, like, these are the wrong function names. Create account is replaced by new account, and get account address. Okay, that takes two values, which are salt and bytecode hash. So bytes memory, bytecode hash equal to kcak 256 ab, sorry, account factory. Let's go and see simple account creation code, and then this whole thing, entry point, address of the owner. Okay, abi dot encode packed type simple account dot creation code. Now creation code is written. Yes, C capital. Creation code, comma abi dot encode, entry point, and owner. And here we need to pass that byte code hash. Semicolon. There is still one error. What's that? Okay, that's bytes 32. Create account. It takes address of the entry point now. So we need to wrap it. Yes. Let's copy this. Now we are passing all the things. So forge coverage. Let's see. It will take a while. We have 100% coverage for this. Less coverage for this. Zero coverage for entry point simulations. User operation on the lower side. Simple account test. I don't know. Samples. I guess sender creator. Let's go for this. Let me find that command. Forge coverage report rare skills. Yeah, yeah. This is the thing. Oh, for some reason it's not detecting the browser. Let me try it again. Yeah, now it detected. Forge coverage report rare skills. So I was talking about this command. Back to VS Code. I ran it. You can see here. It created the report, and I have live code, live extension, live server extension. So I can just say go live, back to our browser, go to localhost 5500, coverage core, and we can check anything. In the sender creator, this. So if success is false, we haven't checked if value will be 0, like it returns 0 value. For this, what we can do is we can create a dummy function which returns, like which reverts basically. If it reverts, the success will won't be true, it will be false, and then we'll get the address 0. This is external returns. Okay, so we can just call that. Oh, can you guys? Okay, no. Yeah, I'm talking about this. So if success is not true, it returns sender address 0. It is an external function, so we can call it. And if we can call it, we can write a unit test for it. Back here, go to new file, sender creator.sol, sender creator test.t.sol, pragma 0.8.24, contract, sender creator test is test. Let's import for no import test forge std slash test.sol. That's done. Function setup public. We need sender creator. No, let's import that first. Sender creator source slash core slash sender creator dot sol. Yeah, that's done. Let's create a variable, sender creator private what uh, sender creator sender creator equal to, there is no constructor, so we can just say new sender creator. That should be fine. Let's create our contract reverting factory function re- revert on call public revert. It can be pure pure. Okay, so that's done. We need an instance of that also, so that we can call it. Now we don't need to call it, we can construct our call data, because it expects a call data. The create sender function, it expects bytes, so let's create it. Function test create sender returns 0 address on field call public bytes memory call data equal to abi.encode with selector, then reverting factory dot revert on call selector, and then say address expected sender equal to address 0, and then address actual sender equal to sender creator dot create sender call data assert equal to expected sender comma actual sender. Okay, let's run it. What now? Oh, we didn't give it the factory address. Yeah, that's wrong. Call data abi.encode packed. Yes, we need to deploy it. Reverting factory private, sorry, reverting factory are lowercase. Now we can say reverting factory equal to new reverting factory, and then abi.encode. First argument should be address of reverting factory, and then the call data. Now it should be fine. Yes. Now you will be able to see the difference. Here we only pass the function selector, but if you see here, this there it's much bigger, and last few characters should be 204C0333, 20430CCC, and this is the, let's copy this and say find. So you can see reverting factory, that's the address, this is the address. So first 20 bytes, first 20 bytes its address, and then the call data. In our case, it's just the function selector and nothing else. No function arguments. Okay, now that's done. We can let's go to browser. So this is entry point.sol. I'm trying to see what we haven't covered. It's in execute user op. Yeah, we don't have this execute user op function in our simple account, so this part is not getting executed. Then we are not reverting, so this part isn't. I'm not sure how I'll be able to achieve this error. I can send the not success call, but pretty sure I can't create. No, I'm sure these conditions can be created, but I don't know how to. Emit post op revert reason, refund gas too low. Yes, I know this, how to create this. And the law was called with gas limit too low about the entire bundle. About the entire bundle can only be called by bundler leaving not enough gas for the inner calls. Okay, so when we are calling handle ops, we need to give a smaller value. So that's how we create this. This we modify the simple account to send the low funds. So back to our contract and simple account. Here you can see we are not handling any fund related things. It's getting handled in base account, and in base account at the bottom it is function pay refund, and it returns missing account funds, right? So we can say only send half of the funds, and this error will be called. And last but not the least, which is post of revert reasons. there are no comments. So anything other than this, yeah, anything other than this should go here. So even if we decide to just say like, yeah, I don't want to execute it, it'll go in this section. Post of execution. This is paymaster related function which we haven't created, and aggregated handle ops which we haven't created yet. What we have created and we can test is greater than result length is greater than 0, emit user of revert reason, execute call, post of mode, call data length is greater. Okay, execute call user of sender call data. Yeah, we can recreate this, but for that we again have to handle inner op. We have to modify a simple account. Yeah, not in the mood to do that. Init code creator sender, create sender. I know this will create the account first and then again try to call to create the account. We'll get this error, and it code must return sender. So we need to modify the factory to not return the sender. Enter one equal to not is not equal to sender. Oh no, we have to return the wrong sender. Here, how we can achieve this? Yeah, we can just create a random account. No, yeah, we can create a random account and say tell the modified factory to return that random account, and also put it in our uh, factory. What was that? Yeah, this is the internal function. We need to modify it to expose it and achieve these things. To achieve these things, can we even do that? No, I don't think so. Okay, let's. Yes, that's it for now. We only have 6 minutes left. We'll try to do that tomorrow. Uh, this function create sender if needed and test for all the branch back here. Yeah, we'll test this function create sender and get sender address, because these are factory related functions, account factory related functions. So we are able to do that. What is this? Yeah, this is pretty simple. We can just say we can put the wrong nuns in the user operation. We'll get this verification gas limit over. Okay, So low gas limit, that should be fine. Refund address. Okay, which branch is not covered in this scenario? Okay, ignore that. Um, we'll do the whole thing tomorrow in the tomorrow stream. And yeah, I hope you like the stream and will join me tomorrow for continuing our testing. And hopefully you are having a nice day. Okay,